Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited. I have gotten gifted from someone I work with this really cool slime kit. So it comes with a bunch of rainbow sprinkles. It looks like we have pink and mint and white and black and blue and yellow and a green. I don't know if there are any other colors in here that I'm missing. I see a lilac. Looks like I got them all in here. Do you guys see anything that I missed? Oh, we lost one. And then it comes with the whipped slime as well. Guys, this is incredibly light. I'm so excited to see what the texture of this is. And as you can see, it is a great deal for anyone who is interested in finding this. So, oh wow. Oh my gosh, this looks so much fun. Look at this. All right, so I think what we're going to do here is mix everything together. So let's get all that back. All right, so now to get it all out of the cup. I'm so excited for this, you guys. It feels so cool. I've gotten to play with a lot of slimes before, and I've quite never felt one like this. What is your favorite brand slime? Or have you made your own that you found an awesome recipe for? Wow. So we got it all out. I'm gonna put those over there for right now. So you guys, this is like the coolest consistency. And I had it over by the vent, so it's all cold right now too, which is so cool right now. It's like a big cloud. Okay. So we're gonna just sprinkle in a couple of these at a time. I think that you get a much better result if you So I'm gonna go with the method of just folding it over. Can you guys start to see all the little sprinkles coming through? Guys, for those who missed it, the Sprinklin' Whip slime is where it's at. I have to ask her where she got it. If you guys have found it anywhere, please let me know where that was. Guys, look how cute. It looks like frosting. Look at all the colors. You guys, how awesome. You guys guess what I'm making? It is so easy to mold and play with, everyone. I made a little snowman. Guys, look at all of these sprinkles. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as you are watching, and please make sure you leave us a comment of what your favorite slime is, if you make it or you buy it, and what your favorite color sprinkle is in here. What have you made with your slime and played with? All right, guys, we're gonna keep it in here until next time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Wait until you see with all of the slimes that I have coming, what our plan is to do with them. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. All right, have a good night, everyone. Bye.